You got a good one with that one.
Yeah, I think so. And this is her, what, 5th time with the toy?
Yeah, I think they 4th or 5th time.
I think she's getting a little better.
Yeah.
She's sniffing like crazy.